Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about the 5 C's of the leadership. So what are these 5 C rules? Let's learn quickly. So leader has to be always calm, centered, compassionate, communicative and captivating. So whenever you want to achieve results, what do? You listen it with a calm approach, right? You think it with a calm approach, with a calm mind, and then you can solve the problems, deliver the results, and create a good environment, right? So always think calmly and wisely before taking any decision. So for decision making, calmness is utmost important trait and quality as a leader. Number two, centered. Be centered and goal oriented. By centered, I don't mean take the limelight. Yes, as a leader, you are always charismatic. You should be charismatic and take the limelight, but then at the same time, be goal oriented. Major focus on attaining and achieving your goals at any cost. Okay, so be goal oriented, be centered, be focused to achieve all those goals. Number three, compassionate. Be compassionate enough, be consistent in whatever you're doing. Listen to people, be generous, be empathetic, be understanding. So have that compassion to understand and take those decisions based on the existing circumstances and solve those problems. Number four, communicative. Be excellent in communicating your voice, in communicating your thoughts, in communicating your ideas, in actions, and communicating your approach, your problems, your solutions, your approaches, your strengths, weaknesses as well. So communicate to get the rewards at the end. To communicate, the clear communication, the precise communication, and the good communication, the effective communication is the utmost and the crucial factor of leadership. Okay, last but not least, here I have included it as the last quality, which is captivating. Be captivating enough to grab or take that action or influence or attention back so that you can motivate others and influence others with your work, with your skills, with your qualities, and what you can offer, what you have to offer, right? So I think these are my 5 traits of leadership, which says being calm, being centered, being compassionate, be communicative, and be captivating. Hope you like it, and this is going to help you in the long term as well. And you can write down your 5 C's, what are your 5 C's in the comments below. And do not forget to like, share, and connect for more leadership life hacks. And you can also contact for leadership training, coaching, and advice. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.